Creating a Zendesk dashboard allows you to visualize key metrics and performance indicators to track the effectiveness of your customer support operations. Here's how to create a Zendesk dashboard. Access Zendesk Explore. Log into your Zendesk account and navigate to the Explore section. Choose Dataset. Select the dataset you want to build your dashboard from. This could include ticket data, customer satisfaction scores, agent performance metrics, or custom datasets. Create new dashboard. Click on the New button to create a new dashboard. Give your dashboard a descriptive name to easily identify it. Add queries. Start building your dashboard by adding queries. Queries retrieve specific data from your chosen dataset, such as ticket volume, resolution times, or customer satisfaction ratings. Customize visualizations. Customize each query to create visualizations that best represent your data. Choose from various chart types, including bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and tables. Arrange widgets. Arrange the visualizations on your dashboard to create a layout that makes it easy to interpret the data at a glance. You can resize and rearrange widgets as needed. Save and share. Once your dashboard is complete, save it to your Zendesk Explore account. You can also share the dashboard with other team members or stakeholders to collaborate and track performance together.